unboxing of the Glock 43X MOS. I went through all the hoops of getting this bad boy. As you saw in my video a couple of weeks ago, I went to the range and tried the regular 43X out. Liked it a lot. I decided to get it. Finally got it. Picked it up today. And let's take a look at it. Alright, straightforward. It came with two 10-round mags. Two of them. I actually have two more that I ordered. So that's pretty good. This is the bad boy right here. As you can see, no magazine. And it is clear. Nothing's in there. And, you know, it comes with a little cleaning brush, a little stick, the basics. It actually has a little tool for your MOS cut. As you can see right here, I'm gonna put a red dot sight on it after I take it to the range. All right, so that's pretty much it right here. So that's pretty much straightforward. You get the little lock here, lock it up. They even have instructions on the slide. They even have instructions on how to put the MOS on. Yep, and the MOS that they actually show you on the picture is this guy right here, the shield. So they actually show you this red dot. So I guess that's the red dot they approve of it. I already bought this last week. I just had this here sitting here. So I'm gonna put this on after I come back from the range. And that's pretty much it. Come with some the usual stuff. The booklets, nice and sealed, leave it sealed. That's pretty much it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this bad boy up and take it to the range, fire a few rounds through it, and see how I like it. Check you in a few. Alright, back from the range. As advertised, it worked perfectly. I had a little bit of problem with the grip. I guess I was squeezing it too much that I kept on dropping the magazine. So everything was pretty good. So I had fun. And now it's on to the next one. Well, actually what I'm going to do is probably in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow, I'm gonna install this red dot on there, put this on, and see what the difference is. All right, thanks for watching. Check you in the next one.